can't believe that just happened. 大家好，我是世界锅。It arrived. The car that everyone is talking about. The car so popular in China, there is a half-year waiting list for it. I've been waiting for months for this moment. My very own Xiaomi car. Oh my God, look at it. Oh, it looks amazing. Right, we've got to do one of those cool music videos with all the cool music and all the cool transitions. Come on, let's do it. Why'd the music stop? Because I'm in shot. Oh. This is the Xiaomi SU7 or SU7 Max. And yes, it's mine, all mine. For the day. For the day, yeah. I borrowed it. I borrowed it from the Xiaomi Factory, which is where I am now. Thanks, guys. I borrowed it because I would like to make an audition tape because I think I'd be the perfect actor to replace James Bond 007.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Anyway, so yeah, I need a car worthy of James Bond, and this is it. From some angles, it looks a little bit like an Aston Martin DB11. It is beautiful. As someone who happens to live in China, all I can say is, yeah, yeah, yeah! Because I actually have the ability to buy this. Number one, because I live in China, which is currently the only market it's available in. And number two, because it's affordable. The base model here in China is 215,900 yuan, which is about 29,900 US dollars or 23,700 pounds GBP. So I could, you know, check the old bank balance, I could buy it tomorrow. Couldn't buy it tomorrow. No, but I could, you know, I could definitely buy it at some point. Not today or tomorrow. However, I could buy this, just this. Look at all these Xiaomi cars ready to be delivered to their brand new owners. When I found out that Xiaomi was first making cars, I was a little skeptical. I almost couldn't believe it, to be honest. Full disclosure, this isn't an advert, but I do use a Xiaomi phone. I've got a Xiaomi watch, and a lot of my home appliances are made by Xiaomi. My air purifier, my air conditioning unit, Bluetooth speaker, headphones that I use. I've got a lot. Now for foreign consumers who are aware of the Xiaomi brand, I think they see it as a very cool brand with sleek products, sleek design, but a very cheap price point, or a very affordable price point. I remember when Xiaomi phones first came out, my friends in the UK wanted them so much, they asked me to buy some handsets and take them back to the UK, which I did. They paid themselves. However, some people think that this brand, Xiaomi, is a little bit cheap. Now, I don't understand because Chinese cars are very popular at international auto shows, and I don't think good value is necessarily a bad thing. However, some of my Chinese friends have said that if this car didn't have this badge, then it'd be much better. But for me, if I bought this car, I'd be like, oh, look, it's a Xiaomi. I'd want this badge on it. I want everyone to know, oh, it's a Xiaomi. So James Bond's cars are known for being beautiful on the outside, but also full of tech and gadgets on the inside. So let's check it out. Wowee. Oh, okay. This is the key. I'm not a big fan of the key being a card because I'll definitely lose that, but a minor criticism. Right, so let's start it. Now you can either press the stop-start button or you can press down on the brake. Oh, and there we go. That screen rotates. That makes me feel a bit like James Bond. There's so much tech in here, it's probably too much for me to explain, especially as I know very little about cars. The big thing is that I can connect my phone to the car. Oh, I was looking at my own account here. So you can connect your phone, you can pin apps to the screens, very, very useful. One of the biggest features of this car, apart from the connectivity, is the AI assistant. 小爱同学，开左边的窗户。
开了。
谢谢。开右边的窗户。
右侧车窗打开了。
关所有的窗户。
都关上了。
开后备箱。
后备箱打开了。
关后备箱。
后备箱关闭了。
开天窗。
这辆车没有天窗。
Oh, right, so it's just glass. Pretty beautiful car inside. Lots of storage as well. Just here, you can put your umbrella. It'd be good if we were in Britain because I'd need that all the time. And it can drain water on the umbrella to the outside. So there's a lot going on inside the car, but really the most important thing is how it drives. So before we get going, I think I need some music to get us in the mood. So, 小爱同学，放 Are You Okay?
好呀。
Thank you. Are you okay?
I am okay. Right, let's get going. Oh, this feels a bit weird. So my first thought of driving the Xiaomi SU7 or Xiaomi SU7 Max, oh my, ooh, big lorry come around the corner, is I'm nervous, I'm very nervous because this is not my car. It feels very, very low. The nose is very, very low to the ground. That is in part because of Xiaomi's battery technology. It's a very slim profile battery, much slimmer than many other electric cars on the market. And therefore, it allows the design to be much lower to the ground and have a more sports car feel. So this feels like I'm driving a sports car. Makes me even more nervous because the nose is just so low to the ground. And every time we come up to a bump or we go up a slope, I feel like I'm going to scrape the nose of the car. Obviously, that's not going to happen. This can actually control all your home appliances if you need. But for me, the most important aspect of the car is how it drives and how it looks. I think this looks brilliant, like a James Bond car, and it drives really nice. I've heard that this goes very, very fast. When we're finding out today, I'm too nervous. The car also has 漂移模式 or drifting mode. You guessed it, we're not doing that either. No, I'm already sweaty enough. But there is another option to find out how fast the car goes. So the driver here at the Xiaomi factory is going to take me on a few laps to show me how fast the SU7 is, because I apparently drive too slow. 0到100是几秒？2秒7吧。Oh my god! Oh god! No! Oh god, that's fast. Oh my god. Oh, the muscles are cramped up. Oh my god. Oh. Are you okay? Okay. 谢谢. Oh my god. Thought I'd wet myself. I haven't, it's just sweat. Oh god. I'm covered in sweat. I didn't wet myself. That was really fast. Felt like a roller coaster. I'm still feeling a bit queasy. Right, okay. Now the CEO of Xiaomi claims that the factory building these cars can build 40 cars per hour. That's one every 76 seconds, and that is impressive. But could the Xiaomi SU7 really feature in the next James Bond movie? No, probably not, because they always use Aston Martins, don't they? Yeah. But it's definitely good enough, inside and out, in my opinion, as you'll no doubt see from my James Bond audition tape, which, if you think it's any good, please do remember to like and subscribe. 一键3连.卡应该够了吧？后期加特效，别忘了。